Semicolons, the super separator in complex lists. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another episode of our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're taking a deeper dive into the world of semicolons. We've already covered their basic use in joining related sentences, but did you know semicolons have a superpower? That's right. They're fantastic tools for separating items in a list with internal punctuation. Let's get into it. Now, what do we mean when we say, a list with internal punctuation? Simply put, this is a list where the items themselves contain commas. For example, consider these city-country pairs. Paris, France. Tokyo, Japan. Cairo, Egypt. If we want to list these items in a single sentence, things can get messy with commas alone. That's where our super separator, the semicolon, comes into play. To tidy up our list, we use semicolons instead of commas to separate the items. Like this. I have visited Paris, France, Tokyo, Japan, and Cairo, Egypt. Notice how much clearer that is. Each city-country pair is clearly separated, making the list easy to understand. Remember, the rule of thumb is to use a semicolon as the main separator in lists that contain internal punctuation. But wait! Semicolons can flex their muscles even more when we have longer, more complex list items with internal punctuation. Consider this. My sister, who is a baker, makes fantastic cakes. My brother, an engineer, loves solving complex problems. My cousin, a musician, plays several instruments. Using semicolons, our sentence becomes, my sister, who is a baker, makes fantastic cakes. My brother, an engineer, loves solving complex problems. And my cousin, a musician, plays several instruments. Amazing, isn't it? The semicolon elegantly separates each complex item, making the sentence readable and clear. And there you have it. The mighty semicolon, your secret weapon for separating items in a list with internal punctuation. Don't forget this handy tool in your writing arsenal. It can do wonders for clarity. Thank you for joining us in today's episode, and remember, the English language is full of surprises and tools to help us express ourselves better. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.